Audio Jungle. Related to sort of the AI, a lot of companies now have the chatbot online that, and I know you guys work with laundromats. Is that a feature that people or that store owners are using?
Yeah, I would say I've seen examples of that where they're contracting some tech provider, or you know just individual that's kind of working with a platform. There are some AI platforms out there that allow you to build and kind of create your own AI agency, where they're creating these things on behalf of any niche industry, and it's definitely growing. I know like some of the platforms mentioned, like Sense, Clean Cloud, there are aspects to that where if you have engaged with them for building your website, they can inherently kind of train on the data that's available right on your website. So as long as you're keeping that up to date, it stays consistent in that messaging, when it's speaking to the end user and more. Um, so it's pretty exciting. The key there is whether you're using the large language model kind of chatbot on the website. How do you make sure that you're tying it back into that phone system, ideally down the road, so that way you don't have to build and manage and curate three different sources of data to kind of answer a lot of the same questions. It's just
Yeah,
a multi-channel kind of approach, but you hopefully have one main source that you can feed it.
yeah, that makes sense.